Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how I use this beautiful tool Kajabi to capture leads for my online businesses. I'm basically into multiple online businesses. My primary business is network marketing. I do it 100% online thanks to Kajabi, and also I am into coaching. Okay, I am a consultant. I help network marketers to build their business online using powerful automation strategies, and also I am affiliate partner of Kajabi and other online tools as well. So to actually grab the list of people who are interested in my network marketing business or Kajabi tool, or maybe for my coaching business, so what I do, I have actually created multiple funnels, okay, using Kajabi. So let me quickly share with you some my Apple Note. Okay, so you can see these are the different automated webinar funnels and different funnels which I have created. Okay, based on, I mean, this is uh, these all have been evolved in last 3-4 years. Okay, but if you can see, if I want to attract people for my coaching program, so I use this link. I have actually created a landing page and a thank you page. Okay, and this is the link, like dnaclub.in/live. So this is a simple page where I have just added a photo, okay, a poster which I created using Canva, and then a timer which is going on. It is this is a simple text box, and this is a event. This is an event, okay. So it runs every day at 8 p.m. Okay, it is an automated webinar, and then I capture the details. So in Kajabi, what I've done is using the landing pages. Okay, using landing pages, I have created some landing pages. So you can see right now in my account, I have approx 470 exactly 469 landing pages. Okay, so many landing pages, right? So so I capture, like, if I see webinar. Okay, so webinar related, these all are the webinars. Okay, live. So live webinar, for live webinar, I this is the 8 p.m. webinar. Okay, so this is LP, means landing page. So I created a landing page using webinar jam, sorry, using Kajabi, and then I use form. Okay, on the page, like if you see the page, okay, this one, dnaclub.in/live. On this page, the form which you can see here, this is the form which I have created using, again, if by going to marketing and forms. Okay, so at the form level, okay, if I search for live webinar, okay, like say for example, um, this is the live webinar, okay, webinar form. So whenever anybody opts in for this form, which I have tagged with this landing page, so automatically email is sent to a person. Okay, I have set an email ID of my business partner, so this person actually automatically receives an email like somebody has opted in, and then this person then sends a reminder on email, sorry, WhatsApp, and also we have, and also what I've done is I have set, and I mean, I have connected this form with an event, and on this event, at the event level, I have set up automated emails. Okay, so multiple automation things happening at the in the back end, and also notification is being sent to one of my team members so that he or she can actually notify the person through WhatsApp manually. Okay, but automated emails also work. Okay, so if I see there are multiple things like live webinar, like I have another webinar called MSI, multiple sources of income. Okay, so how I made more than 60 lakh building business in and around network marketing. So this is my another funnel. Okay, so if I show you my another funnel, like if somebody wants to apply to work with me, so I actually give this funnel, dnaclub.in/apply. Okay, apply to work with me. So for this I used if I go to Kajabi landing page. Okay, so what I've done is I have used the default landing page. If I click on new landing page, okay, so these are some of the landing page designs which Kajabi gives to us. So it is very simple. You can just pick one of these landing pages. Like I used this one. Okay, I used this one, this format to create this particular apply to work with me page. So if anybody connects with me through Instagram or through YouTube, I want to work with you, then I give this link. Okay, so people can see multiple income streams, and if they click on apply, then they fill up the form. They have to first fill up the form. After filling up the form, they get access to a 10 minutes mini webinar, where after watching that video they can actually then book a meeting with me. Okay, one-to-one consultation call with me. So this is again a funnel I created using Kajabi. Then there are multiple like there's auto funnel. Okay, dnaclub.in/auto funnel. This is for those people who want to learn MLM automation, okay, from me. So this is another funnel. Okay, then I have a webinar. Okay, leads, like this is another webinar. Okay, leads li dnaclub.in/leads li, which means leads through LinkedIn. Okay, so this automatically it's redirected to the webinar tool which I use, which is Ever Webinar. So what I've done is I've redirected that link to Ever Webinar. Okay, so this way I have done it. Okay, so the basic idea is I have used Kajabi to capture all my leads in multiple funnels, using multiple funnels, created multiple landing pages, and in the automation side, in the backend through automated emails, I am using other webinars. All these other webinars I'm using as follow-up webinars, follow-up. Okay. Similarly, for people who want to get access to, I mean, to pitch my network marketing opportunity, so what I do, I pitch this funnel dnaclub.in/tlf. Okay. So this is the funnel which I use for my network marketing business presentation. Okay. Now, in network marketing business, duplication is very important. So instead of creating your own duplicate, instead of duplicating a person, why not you duplicate funnel? Okay, duplicate the system. So hence what I've done is I have created multiple funnels like dnaclub.in/tlf1, tlf2, tlf3. So this way I've created multiple funnels. I've just duplicated the funnels. Okay, I've just duplicated the funnels for all my team members, so that I mean, they don't have to create the landing page and all these things on their own. Okay, so when anybody joins my team in network marketing, I create their funnel, and all the automation and everything, it happens in the backend. Okay, using my own account. Okay, so this is how I'm using Kajabi to capture the leads for my different businesses, and I'm actually tagging them properly. Okay, so there's an option for tag. So when a particular form is filled, I know that this is tagged with my network marketing prospect. If this form is filled, this is tagged with my coaching business prospect. If certain form is filled, this is for my Kajabi affiliate program. Okay, so this way I have added automation in the for the at the form level basically. Okay, so this is how I use Kajabi. Okay, it is a wonderful tool, and you can also try this out. Okay, so you can try Kajabi for 30 days. Okay, absolutely free. If you take it directly from Kajabi, it will you will get only 14 days, 14. Okay, but you get double the trial period if you use my affiliate link. This is my affiliate link, dnaclub.in/Kajabi. Go ahead and claim your free 30 days trial, and once you claim it, you will receive an email from my side. As a bonus, you can book a free consultation call with me. Okay, you can book a free consultation call with me where I can help you to set up Kajabi for you. Okay, so go ahead and uh, be a Kajabian. Okay, so thank you, and thank you Kajabi for helping me to live a freedom lifestyle. Thank you. If you have any question, put your question in the comment box below. I will read your question, and I will answer your question in my next video. Okay, and also do subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you. Check out the links in this video description. See you. Bye.